Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make your very own bath tray. Let's go ahead and begin. You will be needing a piece of wood. So we went to Lowe's and we picked this one. It was like $6.99 or so. And the first step is of course to measure your tub. Here you see my husband cutting the wood to size, and he had some spare wood like this one, and that is so your tray will not move once it's placed on the actual tub. The next step is to drill some holes so then we can put in some screws and it can stay in place. The next step is to sand the edges because he did cut the wood for me, so you don't want any roughness there. And then I will be painting the tray like so. I will be putting in 2 coats. So this is the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and then I will be applying the second coat. Now I am doing this on the bottom part, so you have to be patient. I work on one side at a time. Once I was ready to work on the actual top part, I will be removing any paint drips that I may have done, and of course I did. So you see me here removing those just so I have a smooth surface. And of course right after that I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my first coat, let it dry, and apply a second coat. Everything was looking good, white and plain, so I decided to add some glitter. So for that I will be applying some of this Mod Podge all over the surface of the tray, and then I decided to sprinkle some of that glitter on the actual tray, and I didn't like it. It looked too tacky. So what I did learn from this project is to put some of that glitter on your hand and blow it to the actual surface. You're gonna see the glitter, but it will be more subtle. And of course I use my hand, so here you have it. You can use, I don't know, a piece of paper, whatever you have on hand. Anyhow, whenever you are happy with the result, then you're gonna let it dry, and I will also be applying another coat of that Mod Podge. Let it dry, and I had this top coat laying around, so I said, yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and use it. So I will be applying this top coat on the top and the bottom part. And I almost forgot to mention that I did apply some of that diamond wrap from Dollar Tree on the edges of the tray with some hot glue. And my friends, this is the final result. I saved myself about $30 if I was lucky. So I hope that you like it. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.